They're changing lights.
Spikes deployed, they got him.
She got him.
Lives in a icebox out the back. He's speeding.
Be aware there's debris on the highway. Debris on the...
10-4, copy, Spikes. Floyd, corporate 10.
Looks like we got a front tire. Front driver's side tire. Definitely front driver's side tire. 68 miles an hour.
Westbound.
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 10-4.
49, can you see? I believe the front left tire's been hit.
10-4.
We got to go hill exit right now, sir.
Almost to the 50, or correction, almost to the Franklin County line.
46 mile marker westbound, 67.
He's on the rim. He's about to come to a stop here soon. Just before the Franklin. All right, we're pulling over on the shoulder just before Franklin County.
10-4.
29 to felony takedown if y'all can.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Alright. Whose vehicle we want to go?
This will be the third time we arrest her in 3 days.
Really?
Yup.
She on something?
Nope.
Guys, let's put her in Nancy's truck, that one-person deal, so she won't be fighting, kicking, nothing like that.
That's your. Which one's yours?
Nancy,
The
pull
truck.
your truck up here. Pull your truck up here.
You can't copy on 1050. Everything's spent forward.
Here. Did anybody get that icebox?
No, it slid off. It slid off the two-lane into the on-ramp.
Okay, 10-4.
Hey, as soon as she's loaded, go to the jail.
Get in there for me.
No, hell no. She needs a damn nut doctors that she needs.
Yeah.